Let's pack our third order from Ohio. It's a very big order, so come to see which set you like best. The package includes 8 sets. The first is juicy strawberry gummies, a very sweet cat eye design. The second is sky and lake, one of our July new designs, very popular. The third is jelly sweetheart, a very cute sweetie cat eye set. The fourth set is bee in the garden, which features flowers and bees and gives me many classic vibes. The fifth is bursting blueberries. It's one of my favorites, very cute and sweet. The sixth is pearl chic, so elegant and popular. I like it very much. Seventh is stars and pearls, one of our bestsellers that you guys may have seen it many times. The last one is cat on the roof, a sweet fairy tale cat eye design that features cute cats. Each set comes with a complimentary nail application kit. I would like to say thank you to this sweetie for choosing us. Hope our cute creation could bring a smile to her every day.